I wanted to do a problem from the first homework number 1. It says something like this. It says 27% of 923 people saw a ghost. So part A, what is 27% of 923? So to do that, I'm going to change the 27% into 0.27, its decimal equivalent, and multiply 923 times 0.27 on the calculator. So I'm going 923 times 0.27, and that comes out 249.21. 249.21, and then they ask, could that be the number? Could that be the number of people? Answer, no. It has to be a whole number. It can't be a decimal. It has to be a whole number. So then, the question is, what is the number? So what is the number? What is the number of people? And I think for this, they want to go for the 249.21 rounded to a whole number, which is just 249. Okay, then they ask this question, 217 of 945 saw a ghost. What percent is that rounded to 2 decimal places? Well, on the calculator, I can go like this to get, I can go 217 divided by 945. That'll give me the decimal, and then to convert that to a percent, multiplied by 100. So if I go 217 divided by 945 multiplied by 100, that gives me 22.9629. I think that's enough places. 22.9629. Now they said 2 places, so there's the second place 6, so that 2 is less than 5. So I would just leave that as 22.96%. Now, you can have the calculator automatically do that rounding for you by using the round feature. So if I use the round feature for that same calculation, I'm going to use the calculator. I'll write this out. So if I go math, and then the second thing on the math menu up there is num, and then if I arrow down to round, then I can enter that calculation, which was 217 divided by 945 times 100. So that's the percent that I want rounded off to 2 decimal places, and for it to do the rounding, comma 2. And that will give me the correct answer rounded to 2 decimal places, 22.96. So just what that looks like on the calculator, if I go round 217 divided by 945 times 100, that gives me the percent, comma 2, that rounds the percent to 2 decimal places, and the answer is 22.96%.